It's found between T1 and L2 spinal cord levels, where all sympathetic neurons arise. And it's also found between S2 and S4 spinal cord levels, where parasympathetic neurons arise. But we do not find lateral horn in the cervical region and in parts of the lumbar region as well. Okay, that's the lateral horn. And then our dorsal horn, it's going to receive sensory neuronal input, both somatic and visceral. And so there we have a sensory neuron. And then our dorsal horn, dorsal root, you see that cell body in the dorsal ganglion, and it brings information into that dorsal horn. So there we have a sensory neuron. All right, so why does the spinal cord swell in the cervical and lumbar vertebral regions? Okay, so to answer that question, let's use an analogy. Gray matter is like a bunch of lollipops. So there's that part that you're very tasty, and then you've got that little thing that comes down. So you got a big lolly head and a thin lolly stem. And remember when you collected some of these when you were kids and you buy them at stores and you have a couple and a few, and then you got a whole bunch of these lollipops. And so big lolly heads take up lots of room. Thin lolly stems do not. Gray matter is like a bunch of lollipops. You see a big lolly head and a thin lolly stem. Well, instead, it's a neuron, where you have a big neuronal cell body and a thin axonal stem. And then we take that and superimpose it into a spinal cord. And you see that orange circle is the cell body of a neuron. But know that there is not just